This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can hide or show the OSD or the camera properties information on this drone. So if you would like to enable or disable the little window that will show you the current camera parameters, you will need to first tap at the icon you'll find below the shutter button in the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. So tap on this icon here. Then make sure to switch to the last category that looks like a cog icon if you are in the photo mode, or like a video camera if you switch to the video shooting mode. And now simply enable the display OSD toggle to switch those details on, or if you would like to hide them, simply switch this toggle off. As simple as that. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.